is the price of this scooter?
Second hand, we are selling 1,100. A new one, 2,000.
Lari
No,
or dollars?
Dollar, it's
Yes.
very
And
expensive.
3,500 this one,
Okay.
new one, and
New
second one 3,000 about. It's starting from 800 or so.
This is like a chargeable, right?
Yeah, it's on batteries and you can charge and ride. On this model, if you're going fast, 60 kilometer, and on this model, 120, 130 or something like that.
Okay.
If you're going slowly, almost 200 kilometers.
Okay.
And max speed is about 80 kilometers on this model, and 55 on this.
So that we put around the pictures.
Yes.
Wanna see how it rides?
Yeah.